I think part of it was that we didn't run the service yesterday, so there was a little bit of pent up demand. And obviously, you'll be aware, as everyone else is aware, there's rising levels of positive cases in the Campo area. So inevitably, people are exposed and are a little bit worried and anxious. And a lot of them I know are saying, I had a few symptoms, so I came over. Actually, it's the wrong thing to do. The protocol's always been go home if you've got symptoms. Don't be in denial, don't be frightened, because at the end of the day, if you do have symptoms, you want to be assured as quickly as possible that you're negative. If you aren't negative, then what you're doing is a service to the whole of Gibraltar, is containing the infection. If we don't contain the infection, then it will spread like wildfire, and I don't think anyone's got an appetite for another lockdown again. And that's what we must avoid at all costs. So if you've got symptoms, go home, ring 111, and we will make provision for you to be swabbed. We made this other facility, which is a drop-in, but it's really not appropriate for people to drop in if they've got symptoms. There's yet another opportunity for people to organise an appointment, which is the 41818 number, 200 41818. So we've tried to make it as easy as possible. And in fact, we've also gone to businesses, offices, where people have said, it's a bit hard to come. Can you come to us? So wherever possible, we're trying to improve what I call our surveillance system. Think of us in a fog, and we're the lighthouse trying to seek out the shape of everything, and that's what the swabbing activities are. Now, in terms of capacity, we've been hitting about 500 tests a day for the last week or so. There was a little bit of a hiccup when we ran out of some of the substrate, but the refreshments have come back on Tuesday. So ultimately, I think we could do about 600 a day. So I don't think there's a risk at the moment that we would run out. And keep in mind that we're getting about 1.5% of our population on a daily basis. There's not many territories in the world that can even claim to be close to that, and we remain near the top of the, if there is a league table, if you like, of we talked about football, but if there is a league table, then we're close to the top, and that shows both the dedication of the staff in GHA, Public Health Gibraltar, but also just how willing Gibraltarians are to participate in this common good.